Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I have an awesome product by LASFIT. They were super cool to send these out for me. These are LED bulbs that are for your blinkers. So being LED bulbs, you're like, oh crap, I have to install a resistor, all this stuff to negate hyperblinking, but not with this product. This has built-in CANBUS inside of it that negates the hyperblinking, which is freaking awesome. So basically, these are just plug and play. So y'all can find them on Amazon. Right now they're $49. They're 2400 lumens, 24 watts. So like I said, they have a built-in CANBUS. There's no load resistor, which is very, very cool. And the difference between this one and other products is there's a built-in fuse. It's all in one design. You don't have to add a resistor or anything, tuck any of that crap back into your vehicle. Super nice amber chip, 2400 lumens. And then right here are all your different sizes that you could do for the bulb. And then there's the bulb as well. So of course I'll leave the link down in the description for you all. Alright, so it just comes in this tiny little package, US made, 1-year warranty. And here they are. So you got their brand name right there. Very tight finish, high quality. Not trying to touch the diodes or anything like that, but this is very, very cool. Because I know people are very hesitant to putting LED lights for their blinkers because they don't want to tap into their stock wiring harness, which is 100% agreeable. I mean, if you don't have to alter your vehicle in any way and you can just plug and play a light bulb, then that is very cool because this is going to be so much brighter than a halogen bulb. It's going to have a nice quick flash so it won't be delayed. It's going to be very crisp and very clean. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. So if you guys are subscribers on the channel, you'll know that I put in the diode dynamics tail as you turn, but in order to do this mod, I have to take this out so I can allow my blinkers to act as normal. But in order to do this for LASFIT, I have to take that mod out, so I'm perfectly okay with that. So we're kind of going back to stock with having the blinker up here, but I'm interested to see how it's going to look. So depending on your vehicle, wherever your harness is, just take out your stock halogen bulb. That was where my stock one would have been. Go ahead and plug in your light. Just boom, plugs right in, and then put it into its housing. So a lot of LED lights are reverse polarity, so I'm gonna check to make sure that it blinks first, and then I'll put it into the housing and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so perfect example of what I'm talking about. I just turned my hazards on. That one's going, and this one isn't. So if this is happening to you where one is working and one is not, or they're both not working, just go ahead and take the bulb out, flip it exactly 180 degrees, plug it back in, and it should be working. Driver side blinker. And you can see how it's not hyper blinking at all. That's awesome. Here's the passenger side. Then your hazards. So what's really awesome about this product is that you don't have to use a resistor or anything. So here's the driver blinker again. So if you were to have put a traditional LED bulb in there, that would be flashing probably 4 times as fast. That's a fail-safe for the vehicle. So if you have halogen bulbs, this is going to be flashing fast if you have one of your bulbs out, because a part of the blinker system is getting way too much power than what's actually needed. So an LED bulb has less draw than an actual halogen bulb, so that's why hyperblinking happens. Even though the bulb is working, it's getting way too much power for what the LED bulb actually needs. So with having a built-in CANBUS into it is super awesome because it allows it to not hyperblink, which is absolutely incredible. And that is freaking bright. Holy crap. So I don't have the stock halogens anymore. I threw them away after I did the tail as you turn mod, but I can tell that that is, I don't even know percentage, but I mean that is so much freaking brighter. That's insane. And it's instant light too, which I love, because a halogen bulb, actually I'll show you the front. So that's the dim little halogen bulb, and you can see how slow it's turning on. I mean, it's not that big of a deal at all, but when you have a crisp, awesome LED bulb, and I mean, that's freaking bright. Like, yeah, it's kind of shaded in my garage right now, and then the halogen bulb was up there, but still, this is freaking bright. So yeah, guys, definitely 100% recommend this product as advertised. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. You don't have to use a resistor or anything. It's just plug and play. Depending on what type of vehicle you have, it should be pretty universal for a lot of different vehicles, your bulb size. So I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys along with some other information. So yeah, so I love the Tell As You Turn mod because it did allow this to become my blinker, but I'm gonna test these out, you know, kind of do a long-term update for you guys for a future video as well. I'll get this one out now for the actual product, but I kind of want to see how spoiled I was with the Tell As You Turn mod. All right, and I was just running that blinker for a while, so let's go ahead and touch it. It's not that hot. Actually, it's not hot at all, so that's pretty cool for having the CANBUS built into it. So I just turned it off to see how hot the bulb was, and I can't feel anything on the back and the housing. Yeah, the housing's not that hot either. It's a little warm, you could tell. But I mean, you're not gonna be running your blinker for 3-4 minutes. I mean, you may, but. Okay guys, here they are at night. So there's the front. Look how freaking bright they are in the back. The phone can't even focus that well. But these are absolutely very, very bright. So very safe actually too, for if you're on the side of the highway and you have halogens in the back. Look how bright those are. Compared to the front, we'll go back to the front. We'll look at it straight on. Not bright at all. That's pretty horrible actually. So yeah guys, like I said, I'll leave it down in the description for you all, and if this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later.